Unlock nature's hidden cures. Discover ancient secrets. All right, step into a mystical apothecary where each vial holds power to heal. From honey's soothing magic to garlic's fierce support, nature's oldest remedies come alive. Imagine oregano's unseen power wiping out invaders, while ginger fuels your inner warrior. Watch as these potent formulas transform ailments into strength. And just when it seems complete, an enchanting surprise awaits you in the shopkeeper's final reveal. Join our community of natural wellness, like, comment, and subscribe, because the secrets of ancient healing might just be a click away.